Imagine a life where financial abundance flows effortlessly toward you. Intriguing, right? Believe it or not, there are specific laws that, when followed, can significantly boost your chances of achieving wealth. In this video, we delve into the fascinating laws of wealth attraction, principles that dictate how we can draw prosperity and abundance into our lives. Whether you're aiming to enhance your financial standing, grow your wealth, or invite more abundance into your daily life, these laws are potent allies. Join me as I uncover 7 laws to tap into the power of wealth attraction and start magnetizing riches today. Ready to transform your financial future? Yes? Let's start attracting wealth right away then. Please go to the comments and type money right now. After you type money in the comments, I want you to visualize yourself holding that money in your hand. It needs to be a specific amount though. So let's say $10,000 for now. Imagine you are holding $10,000 in your hand. Feel the money sitting in your hand. Thank you for doing that. When I see your comment, I will give you a reply, and that will help the abundance start flowing to you. You know what you need to do now. You need to believe it will happen, and that's the first law you will learn about today. Number 1, the law of belief. Your beliefs hold immense power over your ability to become wealthy. Imagine your mindset as the steering wheel of your financial journey. The way you think about money and wealth shapes every decision you make, how you spend, save, and invest, as well as the career paths and business ventures you pursue. If you harbor limiting beliefs, such as thinking you're undeserving or incapable of wealth, you'll unconsciously sabotage your financial success. Conversely, if you cultivate empowering beliefs, like knowing you're capable and deserving of financial prosperity, you'll naturally make smarter financial choices and seize opportunities. You must be deserving of the wealth you want to acquire, so that means you must believe you deserve it as well. Do you believe that? Beliefs also influence your self-perception, impacting your confidence and self-esteem. Negative self-beliefs can cause you to doubt your abilities and feel unworthy of success, making it harder to pursue your goals and take the necessary risks for wealth accumulation. Those negative beliefs bring fear, and what comes with fear? Scarcity. On the flip side, positive self-beliefs boost your confidence and courage, enabling you to take bold steps toward ambitious financial goals. Ultimately, your beliefs about money, wealth, and yourself are crucial in attracting financial abundance. By embracing empowering beliefs and discarding limiting ones, you'll pave the way for greater financial success. Number 2, the law of attraction. Imagine having the power to shape your reality just by focusing your thoughts. That's the essence of the law of attraction, which posits that positive or negative thoughts bring corresponding experiences into your life. By concentrating on wealth and abundance, you can draw them into your existence. Have you ever practiced this? It does take a little practice, so here's how you can harness this powerful law to achieve financial success. Visualize wealth. Picture yourself living a life of financial abundance. Imagine the freedom, the opportunities, and the joy that come with having the wealth you desire. Use affirmations. Reinforce your belief in your ability to attract wealth with affirmations like, I am worthy of wealth and abundance, or I am a magnet for money. These positive statements help program your mind for success. Take action. Remember, the law of attraction isn't a magical shortcut. It sets the stage, but you must step up and work towards your goals to make your dreams a reality. Practice gratitude. Focus on the good things you already have. Gratitude creates a positive mindset, attracting more reasons to be grateful, including financial blessings. While the law of attraction is a powerful tool, wealth creation also demands hard work, determination, and smart business decisions. The law of attraction sets a positive foundation, but it's your actions, that builds success. I believe that practicing this helps inspire ideas, which help you take action. I don't believe it's just magic. Number 3, the law of abundance. Imagine a universe overflowing with wealth, love, and happiness, all waiting for you to claim your share. This is the essence of the law of abundance, which states that there's more than enough of everything to go around. To tap into this limitless abundance, you must shift your mindset from scarcity to plenty. Scarcity thinking, the belief that resources are limited and you must compete for them, holds you back. When you release this limiting belief, you unlock a world brimming with opportunities. Don't resent the people that have more money than you. Be happy for them, since there is plenty to go around. Picture a life where you don't worry about running out of money or opportunities. When you embrace the law of abundance, you start seeing the myriad possibilities that surround you. There is enough money for everyone who desires it and is willing to pursue it. By believing in the universe's abundant nature, you attract more wealth and prosperity into your life. Consider these steps to fully harness the law of abundance. Embrace an abundance mindset. Start by affirming that there is plenty of everything for everyone. Replace thoughts of lack with thoughts of plenty. Visualize abundance. See yourself surrounded by wealth, love, and happiness. Imagine the endless opportunities available to you. Release scarcity beliefs. Whenever you catch yourself thinking there's not enough to go around, remind yourself that this is a false belief. There is more than enough for everyone. Share generously. Abundance flows more freely when you share what you have. By giving, you affirm that there's always more where that came from. Remember, abundance is all around us, waiting for us to recognize it and claim it. By letting go of the scarcity mindset and embracing the belief in unlimited wealth, you open the door to a life filled with prosperity and joy. The universe is abundant, and so are you. Number 4, the law of exchange. Imagine a world where your earnings are directly tied to the value you bring to others. This is the essence of the law of exchange, which asserts that the money you make reflects the value you contribute to the world. Rooted in the principle of cause and effect, this law states that money is the effect, and your efforts and contributions are the cause. If you want to increase your income, you need to enhance the value of what you offer. Think of it this way: to receive more, you must give more. Here's how you can leverage the law of exchange to boost your financial success. Increase your knowledge. Continuously learn and acquire new skills. The more knowledgeable and skilled you are, the more valuable you become in the marketplace. Improve your skills. Hone your craft. Whether it's through formal education, practical experience, or self-study, becoming an expert in your field makes your contributions more valuable. Elevate your work ethic. Work longer, harder, and more creatively. By putting in the extra effort and thinking outside the box, you can produce more significant and innovative contributions. Add more value. Think about how you can enhance the value of what you offer. This could mean improving the quality of your products or services, providing exceptional customer service, or finding new ways to solve problems for others. Ultimately, the law of exchange reminds us that to receive more wealth, we must focus on increasing the value of our output. This means constantly striving to improve, innovate, and exceed expectations. By doing so, you'll naturally attract more money as a reflection of the greater value you provide. This doesn't mean you need to work harder. What most people need to do is work smarter. The marketplace rewards those who deliver value. By embracing this principle and continuously seeking ways to enhance your contributions, you'll open the door to greater financial rewards and long-lasting success. Remember, the key to receiving more is offering more in exchange. Number 5, the law of saving. Imagine having a financial safety net that not only secures your future, but also opens doors to wealth-building opportunities. That sounds just about perfect, doesn't it? This is the power of the law of saving. By diligently saving money, you create a financial cushion that can be used to invest and grow your wealth with minimal risk and effort. Regular saving paired with wise investing sets the stage for financial prosperity. Consider how saving money can transform your financial landscape. Build financial stability. A robust savings cushion allows you to weather financial storms like job loss or unexpected expenses without resorting to debt or liquidating assets. This stability provides peace of mind, letting you focus on long-term goals rather than immediate financial pressures. Seize opportunities. With savings at your disposal, you can take advantage of investment opportunities that arise, further increasing your wealth. This proactive approach ensures that you're always ready to capitalize on situations that can enhance your financial standing. Here's how to effectively implement the law of saving. 1. Set clear goals. Determine how much money you want to save and how it will be used to achieve your financial objectives. Clear goals keep you motivated and focused on your saving journey. 2. Track income and expenses. Monitor your financial inflows and outflows to identify areas where you can cut back. This conscious tracking helps you find extra money to divert into savings. 3. Make saving a habit. Commit to saving a certain amount from each paycheck or every month. Automate this process by setting up automatic transfers to a savings account, ensuring you save consistently without even thinking about it. By embracing the law of saving, you cultivate a habit that not only builds your financial security, but also propels you toward wealth. The discipline of saving regularly provides a solid foundation upon which you can construct a prosperous future. Remember, every dollar saved today is a step closer to financial freedom and the realization of your long-term financial dreams. And when you have that cushion, you won't be afraid to take more risk. That's how you win. Number 6, the law of compound interest, Albert Einstein. Once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and growing larger with each turn. Compound interest works similarly, but instead of snow, it uses your money. When you invest, you earn interest not just on your initial amount, but also on the interest that accumulates, creating a cycle of exponential growth. The key is to let that snowball keep rolling down a long hill. Here's how you can harness the power of compound interest to build substantial wealth. Start early. The sooner you begin investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small, regular contributions can result in significant growth over time. Invest regularly. Consistency is key. By investing a fixed amount each month, you ensure steady growth and take advantage of market fluctuations. Let it grow. Resist the temptation to withdraw from your investment account. Allow your money to remain invested so compound interest can work its magic uninterrupted. To illustrate the incredible power of compound interest, let's consider this example. Suppose you start with $0 in your investment account and invest $100 per month for 30 years at an annual interest rate of 10%. By the end of 30 years, your investment would grow to just over $1 million. This remarkable growth is due to the compounding effect, which accelerates over time, turning your consistent contributions into a substantial fortune. Here's a step-by-step plan to leverage compound interest. 1. Open an investment account. Begin by setting up a monthly investment account today. The earlier you start, the better. 2. Set up automatic investments. Automate your contributions to ensure regular, disciplined investing. This also helps you stay committed without having to think about it each month. 3. Choose investments wisely. Select investments that offer a solid return. Historically, stock market investments have averaged around 10% annual returns, making them a good option for long-term growth. 4. Stay the course. Keep your money invested. The true power of compound interest reveals itself over long periods, so patience is essential. By embracing the law of compound interest, you unlock a powerful financial tool that can turn modest, regular investments into a significant nest egg. Start now, stay consistent, and let time and compound interest work together to build your wealth exponentially. Number 7. The law of momentum. Imagine a different snowball than the compounding one rolling down a hill, gaining speed and size with each turn. Momentum is a powerful force, and when harnessed, it can transform your life and attract wealth. The law of momentum revolves around developing a growth mindset, a belief that you can learn, grow, and continually improve over time. By embracing challenges and persisting through obstacles, you generate positive momentum, propelling you toward bigger and better goals. Here's how you can use the law of momentum to achieve financial success. Adopt a growth mindset. Believe in your capacity to improve and achieve more. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth rather than setbacks. This mindset fuels your drive to push forward and overcome obstacles. Set and achieve goals. Start with small, achievable goals. Each accomplishment builds momentum, making the next goal easier to tackle. As you progress, you'll feel a sense of forward motion, propelling you toward your larger aspirations. Take consistent action. Momentum thrives on consistency. Focus on small, regular actions that move you closer to your goals. This steady progress creates a powerful, positive cycle of growth. Imagine you're aiming to build wealth. Begin by setting achievable financial goals, such as saving a specific amount each month or investing a small sum regularly. As you reach these goals, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and motivation, which fuels further action. Over time, these small successes compound, creating significant progress toward your larger financial objectives. Consider these steps to effectively leverage the law of momentum. 1. Define clear goals. Identify your short-term and long-term financial goals. Break them down into manageable steps to make progress feel attainable. 2. Track your progress. Regularly monitor your achievements, celebrate your successes no matter how small, to maintain motivation and build confidence. 3. Stay consistent. Make a habit of taking daily or weekly actions that align with your goals. Consistency is key to maintaining momentum. 4. Reflect and adjust. Periodically assess your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. A flexible approach ensures you stay on track and adapt to new challenges or opportunities. By embracing the law of momentum, you create a powerful cycle of continuous improvement and progress. Each small victory fuels your drive, making the journey toward your dreams feel achievable and rewarding. With a growth mindset and consistent effort, you'll build the momentum needed to attract wealth and transform your life. So what do you think? Are you going to adopt these laws of wealth attraction into your life, or what? You really can't go wrong. However, there are 2 more things you need to do if you're really serious about building wealth and getting rich. Number 1, subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. Thank you for doing so. I really appreciate you. Number 2, click on this video right here. How to build wealth from nothing. Click on this video now and let's build big money.